I want to share with you a trick that John Bannon showed me, and it uses the 4 aces. Now, the ace of spades, some cultures believe symbolizes the death card. I don't know if that's true or not, but we're going to use it and save it for last. The first thing you do is you give the aces a little spin. That makes the ace of hearts turn face up, right? If we give them a little spin again, the ace of hearts turns face down, and then the ace of clubs turns face up. Put the ace of clubs back in, give the whole thing 2 little spins like that. The ace of clubs turns face down, and the ace of diamonds turns face up. Now, if we turn the top card face up, that's the ace of spades, and it turns all of the other aces over like that. So we have 4 face-up aces. Now, if we take the ace of spades and put it right there so that we've got these 3 aces right here, I'm going to snap my fingers and 3 things are going to happen. The ace of spades is going to vanish from the shelf. Then the second thing that's going to happen is it's going to reappear between these. And then the third thing that's going to happen is that these 3 aces are going to change to completely different cards. Ready? Take a look. The ace of spades is gone. I told you it's back here. And these have changed. It doesn't look like it to the untrained eye, but they have. Because now they're all different colors.